Thank you so much, Mike, for unlocking my car, getting the key out of the trunk. I really appreciate it. It made my day a whole lot better. Thank you so much. You're the best. Thank you.
Mike's Locks. Customer locked her key in the trunk for a Mercedes C350 2008. We came, we unlocked it for her. After she unlocked the car and she couldn't get in, the key works, everything works in the car. Locked, unlock the car, no problem. The car starts, put the key in the ignition. If you need to unlock your trunk for your Mercedes in the high desert, Hesperia, Apple Valley, Victorville, please call us today to Mike's Locks at 760-766-0117. If you need an extra key, just call us to see that we have the key in stock so we can get it going. And again, if you locked your keys in your trunk in the high desert, let us know. We can help you out. Thank you, and thank you for choosing Mike's Locks.